I'm getting higher and higher, feeling in my sleep. Sometimes.
For this look, you're going to need an oversized t-shirt, some E6000 glue, which you can find at Walmart, an elastic band, fabric band that I got from the 99-cent store. It was only $1. Some scissors, and I also got these from like Family Dollar store. And this is optional. These are just peel and stick patches that I also got from the 99-cent store if you wanted to add some patches onto your shirt. So first, you're going to take your shirt and you're going to turn it inside out. Before I continue, I just wanted to shout out Stephanie Vega. That's where I got this idea from. Y'all should definitely go check her out. So now I'm just positioning the shirt the way I need to. Now I'm going to be taking my scissors, and now I'm just going to cut where I want my shirt to be cropped. This is my first time doing this, so I was a little nervous, but it's really simple and easy. If you want to, you can also put a ruler down or maybe even some measuring tape so that you can get a precise, clean cut. Now I'm going to take some elastic fabric band and some scissors, and I'm going to cut a little slit into it so that I can put a bobby pin inside of it. And I also left a corner of the shirt open so that I'm able to insert the elastic band inside of the shirt. So basically, you're just going to continue this process until the elastic band is completely inside of the shirt, which took a while. And after that, I just had my mom hand sew the elastic band together at the end, and I snipped off the excess part, which I did not show, I'm sorry. But here is the finished product of the shirt, and I'm going to show you it on. I hope you all enjoy, and make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.